What's going on, people? Back at it again with another tip of the day. This is for my folks that are struggling with trying to figure out what they need to eat when it comes to lunch, and especially if they're running short on time, they're running between meetings and things like that, or they're running errands. This is a perfect option that will fit the bill. It's not the best, but it's definitely better than a lot of the options that you would typically see when you're out and about. So this one, it is the Potbelly sandwich. So I have two different options that I kind of teeter-totter between the two. This one, it is the original Avo Turkey. Normally, the way that I get it prepared, it is on multigrain bread, double turkey breast with Swiss cheese, avocado, lettuce, cucumber, and seasoning. Normally they put the oregano. I love the oregano. It just gives it a little pizzazz. You know what I mean? So this one fits the bill, especially if you're trying to hit your macros for the day and you're in a pinch. This is a great option. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Bang. So you got your cucumber, you got your oregano, you got your double chicken breast with your Swiss cheese. Typically my condiments, when it comes to like mayo and mustard, I try to keep it, you know, fat-free. I get my healthy fats from my avocado, so I don't necessarily need to add more fats, especially processed fats. So I try to typically stay away from those. So I get mustard, just to kind of give it, you know, a little bit more flavor. And then not only that, but mustard is like super low in calories and you don't have to worry about it being super fatty. But it's a great option to have when you're in a pinch, when you're running around and you need something quick, fast, in a hurry. So let me do a taste test for you guys and I'll send you guys on your way. Yep, it's definitely on point. Now, the macros for this, if I'm not mistaken, I think you're looking at like, 24 grams of fats, about 48 grams of protein, and about 70 grams of carbs. So I'll have all of the macros down in the description or in this vid, or if you guys want to DM me, I can definitely send you the macros on it. But yeah, if you guys like this content, leave a comment and let me know if you guys want me to give you guys another tip on another restaurant. And until then, see you guys on the next one.